How to make great value fudge brownies. Pour your mix in your bowl. Add your water and your oil. The directions are right here on the back. I store my oil in this squeeze bottle so it's easier to pour for me. Do not use olive oil. Just use regular vegetable oil. We're going to take our 2 eggs. Now, to keep your eggs from getting in your batter, just push straight down on the counter and you won't get as many eggshells. I mean, you want your eggs in your batter, just not eggshells. Then we're just going to mix this all up. If you want a fudge brownie recipe from scratch, my original recipe is right here in our Dining on a Dime cookbook, Volume 1. You can get the link in the description below. I'm going to take an 8x8 pan. Spritz it with a little bit of oil. This is my refillable oil container. Pour in your batter just like that. Now for my oil, I just use vegetable oil also for spraying my pan. Let's put this in a 350-degree oven. We are going to do 40 to 45 minutes in my 8x8 pan. If you forget to set your timer and you're wondering if your brownies are done, see how the center is jiggling there? That means my brownies have about 5 or 10 more minutes because they're setting up on the side. So if it's jiggling in the center, they're not done yet. All right, gonna test to see if my brownies are done. Now these are fudge brownies, so they're gonna be a little bit fudgier. But see how my knife comes out perfectly clean? There's a tiny bit on there. That's what you want for your fudge brownies. You can see they are also set around the edges right there. There is a special way to cut these brownies so they don't fall apart. We're gonna let these cool and then I'm gonna show you that trick. Here's Mom's secret trick for cutting perfect brownies that don't fall apart. Use a plastic knife and it won't tear up your brownies like a regular knife does. Look how nice and clean that cut is. And we have perfect fudge brownies. Oh, yum.